Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change username in your BeReal app. So it is very short tutorial and simple. Just follow my step, then you will learn. Here you can see the BeReal app. Just click on this, and after that you will get the interface of BeReal. So what will you do now? Just click here, right of corner, this icon. Click on this and then click here, edit profile, edit my profile, and then you are seeing the second option, username. So just click here and you can type your username. So and after that you just click here the tick mark and it will be changed. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful and a simple tutorial for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial.